Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. Take a look at the download failed error. It says basically when you're trying to download a file, the download was unable to complete. Please try again later. Now, of course, this can happen for several reasons, and I'll show you some of the situations and what you can do to remedy the situation in case you're having this particular error. Well, the first thing you want to know is that if it says download failed, most times it could be that your network connection is having issues and you're unable to download. So for example, go ahead and check your internet connection or switch over to another more reliable connection. The download will complete. Also remember there's a server between you and the sender. So of course, if the file has expired on the server, it might not download. It might say download failed. You might require to ask the person to send the file again. Of course, if the WhatsApp servers are having issues, you'll find that they will not download. In most cases, I recommend that you quickly check your device by rebooting. Check your internet connection, such as your router, reboot that as well, especially if it seems to be working. Or, of course, if it's not working, just switch over to like a mobile connection if you're on a wired connection, or vice versa. All right. So, of course, if everything is fine and the file was sent, especially recently, and of course, there's no problem with WhatsApp, such as an outage, and of course, the file is valid and your internet connection is working, the file should download. So normally it's one of those. Either it's your connection, an issue with WhatsApp, or of course a problem with the person who is sending on their side. So go ahead and check all of those. And if everything is okay, it should be fixed. But most times it's your side and it's your connection. So you may want again to wait a little while and try again. Because of course it's a rare cases where it's WhatsApp, and of course in most cases the file is sent, it is there for everybody else and they have downloaded it. Especially if it's a common file, it should download for you as well. So go ahead and try those out and it should work for you. See you in the next one, guys. Bye.